Kia rana tātou kātou toa. Just want to say a massive Meitaki. Meitaki tūpaka, Meitaki rānui nui, Meitaki korereka. For all the new people that have found my page, for all the love that's been shared, for the videos that I've posted. It's much appreciated. All the likes, the sharing, the comments. I try and participate in the Cook Islands Language Week every year, but this year I was just so surprised with all the love that's been shown. And you know, to everyone that's mentioned, hey, you are not a plastic cookie. Don't use that word plastic. You are not that. You know, if you have 1 ounce of Cook Island in your blood, you are entirely Cook Island. I hear you loud and clear, and I thank you very much. I agree. I do agree. In saying that, I will keep the name Plastic Cookie because I am just one person who has felt this way. I know that there are many more. If I just leave my page here, I'm sure those who are on their journey will find my content and they will be encouraged to try and find their way to their culture. Thank you very much for the words of affirmation. I do also think of those who are yet to find their way back to their culture. If I can be here for them, then we all participate. We all can be in our culture together. The next song I'm going to put up is called Ko Te Pō Anake. In true plastic fashion, I have not done any research on this. I just simply found a song that I love and I gave it a go. But from the little bit of time that I spent on cookislandsdictionary.com, I believe anake means like lonely or alone. And I know the word po, I would say is night. So lonely, night, you can kind of guess what the song is heading towards. It's obviously a romantic song. It can mean, you know, we're alone together tonight, I'm lonely tonight, or the night is still. But it's a beautiful song. I first heard my cousin, shout out to Jerome Pari. There's a video of him in Wellington and he performed it for a crowd and I saw a short video of it. The melody captured me, the music captured me, and so then I decided to learn the song. From there I found out Melissa Gosselin, her classic version. A lot of people know this song for Melissa Gosselin, and then the more younger ones will know this song for Jerome. But either way, I love both versions. And musically, the thing I like about the song is that it actually starts in 2 different keys. This one I'm following Jerome's version, so he starts in A, and then he finishes in G. Meitaki rā, you know, normally I just stick to Cook Islands Language Week. Seeing how much people have really enjoyed the content, I will look to post more regularly. I'll figure out what that looks like. So meitaki rā, blessings and have a good day.